Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be doing something pretty interesting. Looking at a few component libraries. It's going to be absolutely fun. I'm not going to do an in-depth review here. I'm just going to list them out for you. And you could go to the website, learn a lot more about each one of them. And yeah, let's do it. Alright, so here the first one we're going to be looking at today is Tailwind UI. It's pretty awesome. So yeah, you want to go to the website. I'm gonna drop the links in the description, so you could go look at them. Alright, so Tailwind UI was built by the makers of Tailwind CSS. Here they say, build your next idea even faster, beautifully designed, expertly crafted components and templates built by the makers of Tailwind CSS. The perfect starting point for your next project. Alright, so over here you're gonna see, I'm just gonna scroll through, and yeah. Awesome. Yeah, I mean, okay, let's take a look at what we've got here. So, marketing, application UI, e-commerce, templates in UI kits. I mean, the website is in a way that everything is just pretty much organized, and depending on what you're looking for, you just would get it. I'm gonna click on components. Let's see what we've got there. Beautiful UI components crafted with Tailwind CSS. HTML, React, Vue, over 500 plus professional design, fully responsive. Alright, something we read from the other place. Alright, so yeah. So here, we see that we've got React, we've got Vue, and we've got HTML. It's pretty beautiful. If we come over here, we're gonna see different. So I think the filter is in different ways. You could see page sections over there. So yeah, that's what I see. You get here sections, a couple of components there. You've got here feature sections, CTA sections, and all of these interesting stuff. I do really want to deep dive and go in and see what's there. You know, I've checked them out personally, but would love to do with you guys. But I mean, you could just go there. I mean, they've got something for a 404 page, and there's landing pages, pricing pages, about us, and stuff like that. Yeah, so they've got different sections, and they've got elements. You see that right there. They've got feedback, they've got page examples, and okay, let's just see a little bit more. Application UI, they've got application shells. Alright, cool. Yeah, of course, some premium. It's not all of them are actually free. In here we've got headings, data display. Here we've got lists, and we've got forms. I mean, the list goes on. We've got all of these. I'm just gonna go to the top of the page, and we're gonna go to templates to just see what we've got there. Alright, still by the makers of Tailwind CSS, modern website templates crafted with Tailwind CSS, React, and Next.js. Visually stunning, easy to customize site templates, built with React and Next.js. The perfect starting point for your next project, and the ultimate resource for learning how experts build real websites with Tailwind CSS. Pretty awesome, isn't it? But we're just gonna scroll down, and we're gonna see all of these templates here. Yeah, so I mean, just check them out. You know, sometimes you do not really need to start everything from scratch. In today's day and age of AI, you don't want to do that. And I got something in the works. I'm gonna tell you guys about them. But I mean, by all means, if something is great, I'm just gonna let you know about it. And this is just me, you know, doing this with you, letting you know about these platforms, right? So yeah, just go explore yourself, check them out for yourself, and you know, begin using it. Check out the docs, you know, and you know how to install it, how to get it started, you know, and all of these beautiful things. I would have loved to actually do this with you guys and show you how to get it started. It's really easy to do. And if you ever feel like, hey, you do not know what to do, the first thing to do would be to go to the docs, to go to the documentation, read what's there. You know, it's pretty much, you know, a step-by-step guide depending on what you're searching for or what you need help with, you know. Yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much about what we're gonna be looking at here. Tailwind UI. we're gonna check out this other one, ChatCN. Awesome. So ChatCN here, and you've got to know something really beautiful about ChatCN. It's there, for instance, Vercel's v0.dev actually uses ChatCN, so it's got to be a great platform, and yeah, they're just really wonderful. Plugs are open for contributions. Nice. Build your component library, beautifully designed components that you can copy and paste into your apps, made with Tailwind CSS, open source. You can get started over there, and there's a couple examples right here. I'm just gonna scroll. Yep. So we can literally come here to components. Let's do that. All right, so you can see introduction, installation. That's really something very unique about all of these platforms, that they would always actually guide you on how to use it. All right, so it's not gonna be that you're gonna be lost as to, hey, how do I go from here, and stuff like that. Now, all right, so here you can see different components. You can see this is an accordion, and yeah, look there. It's just okay. Yeah, these are pretty conventional stuff, and then so once you see that, then though the other one wouldn't get a click inside to explore the way we are here, but right there, what you can do would be to install it, using a CLI. Either you're going to use npm yarn, or pnpm, or the pnpm, whatever you want to use, and they talk about the usage. It's just pretty much explanatory, and we could do a lot here, but go check them out yourself. All right, so if we come over here, we'll go to charts. Let's check these out. So you're gonna see a lot here. I mean, and you can get, this is the default. You could change the style here, and it's called different color patterns arranged for you over there. So you could just scroll and see what exactly is it that you need. I mean, another example I'm going to be showing you guys in a little bit would be Ant Design, which actually has pretty awesome stuff as well. But yeah, just go for it. Learn about this stuff yourself. Go to the website and be able to check it out yourself. I do not want this video to be long. Of course, you always want to visit the documentation. Remember that. All right, Ant Design. All right. Here we go. I just chuckled a little bit of that because I did not even know that was next in line to talk about. But yeah, we're talking about it anyways. Alright, Ant Design 5.0 help designers, developers building beautiful products more flexible and working with happiness. It's quite a beautiful line there. Here we can see flexible theme customization. Alright, yeah, you could do a lot here. They're just giving you an idea. Rich components, designing framework, design values, blah blah blah. All right, resources. They got pro components. They got design for mobile. They got mini designs. They got Web3 designs. They got Ant Design landing. They got scaffolds, and all of these other other ones. And we've got Ant Design X, and yeah, the charts as well. Well, here's what we're gonna do. We're just gonna scroll up and go to design and see what's there. All right, so that's just gonna load up in a little bit. Yeah, here we are. So you're gonna see a couple of things here, and yeah, you could just go check them out. Introduction. Yeah, that mode. Check what's there. Alright, I'm gonna go to development. Okay, so over here, getting started, click on that, and you'd be able to see how to go about setting things. Pretty awesome, isn't it? Alright, so I'm gonna go to components, and let's sort of go there, and over there, development, you're able to see how to use. Let's go back again to development. Usage with Next.js. and all of these beautiful things. Alright, go over to components. Let's say of course, and yeah, you could filter certain components, if you're looking for something specific, so go check them out yourself. All right, and the next one we're going to look at today would be MUI, material UI. Ready to use material design components. Material UI is an open source React component library that implements Google's material design. It's comprehensive and can be used in production out of the box. Awesome. All right, so I'm just gonna go right there, and you can rapidly tweak any styles using CSS utilities. 40 plus building block components, and yeah, I'm just gonna click on view components, so of course there, and you can see the templates. There's 3 templates. There is, so I mean, just go here, explore on your own, and you be able to get a lot more. I don't want to make this video longer than it already is. All right, so the next one on our list here is Chakra UI. It's a component system for building products with speed. Here it's written accessible React components for building high quality web applications and design systems. Works with Next.js RSC. All right, so yeah, it's for developers, by developers. All right, so I'm just gonna scroll up and we're gonna go to the docs. I mean, so literally there are other ones out there. We've got some lightweight newer ones that I do want to mention right now, but I just wanted to talk about the ones that I said I was gonna tell you guys about today. Yeah, just these 5. Are they really 5? Yeah, they're 5. Right, these are pretty popular ones, but yeah, they're very, very, very good, very good, and yeah, you could go check them out. I did tell you that Versailles Visitor, the dev, actually uses ChatCN, and if you use Cursor, I need to make more videos about Cursor. I remember that, but it will be very handy, very nice for you to actually integrate ChatCN. It's wonderful, and I mean, personally, I do love the Tailwind ecosystem. So if I'm building a website, I would just want to use Tailwind CSS. And well, yeah, they're really fancy and very good as well. Not just fancy, because fancy could be contextualized in different ways, and yeah, pretty awesome. I mean, yeah, so you could go work with these. I did say there are other lightweight newer ones, but maybe I'm gonna talk about those in the next video. All right, that's pretty much about it for now. To like the video, drop a comment, subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications as well, and yeah, I do have a podcast channel. The name is the Josh Chris Podcast Channel. There I host industry experts and we'll talk about a lot of things in tech. So on this channel, you only see me. Basically, if you want to see me with other people talking about tech related stuff, explore journeys, founders journeys, and a lot of other things. It's a wide range, and there's a schedule for the year, so there's gonna be a lot more to come. You gotta go subscribe to the Josh Chris Podcast. Yep, so that's pretty much about it, and you don't want to forget to subscribe and turn on your notifications. So for the rest of your day, cheers.